Hello everyone, my name is Ibinai David Damilola. I'm an M.Sc cybersecurity student at National College of Ireland. This video is a requirement for researching computing module. My topic is identification and classification of phishing websites using machine learning. The machine learning algorithm in use is random forest. Introduction. Social engineering has been known to be one of the popular and severe types of cyber attacks online. Since the introduction of internet banking into the banking sector, many consumers have found difficult methods of putting their economic information at risk through their use of e-banking. Security has therefore become a common problem for both banks and users. Phishing is a sort of social engineering attack which is used to steal user data, including credentials for login and credit card numbers. This happens when a victim is duped into opening an email, instant message, or text message by an attacker masquerading as a trusted entity, being either from the bank or the financial institution that the user works with. Phishing attacks are unfortunately one of the most widespread criminal operations that hackers have carried out since the internet banking was introduced. The aim of this research is to explore how phishing hackers try to steal information from customers and execute financial crime. Related works. Some of the related works that formed the basis of this research are as follows. The Anti-Phishing Working Group, APWG, provides a solution directory that includes most of the world's major anti-phishing companies. An automatic method of anti-phishing is rarely reported. Chandrasekaran suggested a phishing classification method depending on phishing email structural characteristics. They used a total of 25 characteristics combined between style markers like suspended sentences, accounts and safety, and organizational characteristics such as telephone topic line, composition, and body greeting composition. Fett et al. Contrasted several commonly used teaching techniques through their phishing detection results on a previous phishing information collected. And lastly, applied random forest in their PIFA algorithm. They can also use their technique to identify phishing websites. They screen messages from 850 phishing and legitimate messages from 850 phishing sites and legitimate messages from 6,950. 96% of the phishing emails with a false positive frequency of 0.1% were identified properly by the suggested technique. The research questions. Can phishing websites be efficiently detected and classified using machine learning? My objectives. Attempt to provide an alternative to assist in decreasing the effect of assaults on banking locations by social engineering, or at least render it hard for attackers to hide malicious objectives on their phishing pages. Studying and using a random forest classification model for the identification of the phishing URL for website classification characteristics, and to provide the present detection system for phishing websites with an option or an additional solution. Proposed solution. The problem is the classification of our data sets. Here's the solution. Random forest classification model will be used to classify the data set. It is a combination of three designs, which each three operates on the values of a separately sampled random vector with the same distribution for all forest trees. It incorporates various classifiers to enhance classifier precision. The implementation of these results will be applied on Shiny R. The methodology. Methodology approach used in this research is called CRISP-DM methodology. The data collection. Data here will be sourced from www.demos.org and from a personal browser history for the legitimate sites, and then www.fishtank.com and cargo.com for the phishing URLs. They have a dataset containing more than 1 million websites collected over time. Under data preparation, preprocessing and preparation, features like address bar feature, HTML and JavaScript based features anomaly-based features, URL and domain identity features, and so on will be used for preprocessing and preparation. This is where the URLs will be classified under these features or based on these features. The implementation of these results will be implemented on Shiny application. The implementation will demonstrate a simulation of how delicate data regarding the danger connected. The data will be recognized and the user will be warned appropriately. In conclusion, the identification of phishing and classification of phishing websites using machine learning can be a way to prevent phishing activities. It could also make it very difficult for attackers to carry out phishing activities. Thank you for your time.